Hello there friends, welcome again. Related my previous video, today I'm going to show you how you can make money from your own website. First, please subscribe my channel. Dear friends, there are several ways you can make money from your website. But first, please pay attention how you can make your website to succeed for earning money. I'm giving an example, a boxer or wrestler before going to ring. They are taking preparation, very hardworking, doing exercise and many other steps, finally to being ready for a match. So think of yourself as going for a match. There's a very big competition, which millions of people competing with each other to make money from their website. So please pay attention for 3 key points. And you should consider them on your website to be eligible for making money. Number 1. Make your web page special. How to make a unique and special web? For making a unique and special web, consider the arrangement of the elements like text, images, etc. on your web page that visitors should be able to easily find what they are looking. Second, consider providing a comment section for your visitor, because the feedback from your users who use your website and read your content can really help you to improve your site as it grows. Number 2, make a clear menu bar or navigation bar. An accessible menu bar is a key part of providing a good user experience. For a navigation bar, also please consider 3 things. First, alignment. All elements should be lined up correctly. Second, readability. The text should be easy to read. Third, functionality. Your drop-down list should work correctly. Like example as you see here. For a computer programming website, your navigation bar might look like this. First, home page, continue, after that C++, after that PHP, continue to JavaScript, after that beginners, finally finish it at about us. Same for a travel site, your navigation bar might look like this. First, home page, second, destination, continue to gallery, after that reviews, and finish in about us. Number 3, unique and interesting content. Valuable and original content is building a strong and loyal user base. When users enjoy your content, they share the experience with others, and this in turn helps you to grow your website. And please consider 3 steps for making unique and interesting content. First, identify areas with high potential. Second, improve your content marketing. Third, learn from the latest tips and trends. Dear friends, hope you can consider these tips which I said for your website. In next video, I will show you the several ways you can make money from your website. But first of all, you should consider these tips and these steps for your website. At least your website should be ready for making money.